Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add clickable link on any Facebook post. So go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, click on your avatar icon. If you have any updates on your phone, go ahead and update. Specifically, if there's a new update on Facebook, go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and basically if you want to recover deleted stories on Facebook, basically what you're going to do, in your Facebook or in your Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile, tap at the top right, below how you use Instagram, tap your activity, below remove your unarchived content, tap recently deleted, tap the photo, video, or story that which you'd like to restore or permanently delete. So basically, does Facebook keep deleted stories? It's deleted from from their servers and backup systems, so they are not able to retrieve this deleted content. So this settings only apply on Instagram, but on Facebook, unfortunately, for now, unfortunately, they're not. However, Facebook may keep service-related information about your account, like IP address, logins, or email changes on your account, to protect your security, prevent abuse, and improve their service. So, unfortunately, for now, it is not possible, but we'll let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.